Hey, what's up, buddy? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. Alright, so this is my fourth attempt to make this video today. So today we're going to talk about IBM and them acquiring Red Hat. And is IBM worth investing into with them acquiring them? Now, there might be some people out there that don't know what Red Hat is, or that don't know what IBM is. If you don't know what IBM is, they've been a company for a very long time. They're like the original tech company. They were used by NASA way back in the day to for the space program. They did a lot of their calculations on a old IBM mainframe computer. So obviously, IBM has gone a long way with technology, with them still being a company and still being competitive. Now, Red Hat. A lot of people don't know what Red Hat is, and I understand. Red Hat has been a company since 1993. If anybody has ever made a website and purchase a server or server space, they would know that you're kind of asked, like, what kind of server do you want? And one of those would be, Red Hat operating system, so they would run with that. But now Red Hat has evolved over a long period of time, and they're really big with cloud computing. Obviously server stuff still related, but now they're really big with cloud computing, and they're used by Amazon, all these other big cloud computing companies. So that was a smart decision with IBM to actually, to want to acquire Red Hat for that reason, because that kind of gets them in with more of the tech industry's network. But the decision for IBM to acquire Red Hat is actually not really a popular one with a lot of people, and that is because IBM is acquiring them for $34 billion, and that is basically close to a third of IBM's market capital. So obviously they're going to have to buy it with a lot of debt, and IBM already had debt, so that's kind of like the bad thing there. But I'm definitely not one to say that IBM is not a good company to invest into, because it depends on what kind of an investor you are. And if you are someone that wants to invest and generate income, then IBM will be a perfect stock for that reason, and that is because that they have a dividend yield of over 5%, and they've also raised that dividend over the years, so they are a great dividend aristocrat for that reason. So I wouldn't see IBM actually, like, its stock price really increasing a lot. I mean, we're talking about a company that is over 60 years old, maybe 70 years old. So I wouldn't really see that dividend, jump up a lot. But if you're looking to invest in it for dividends, then I can say that would be a great stock to buy for that reason. Actually, sorry, I just checked the facts. IBM has been a company for over 100 years, actually. That's even more of a surprise. So to get back to the point here, if you're an investor into dividends, then IBM is a great stock for that reason. It's definitely a buy and hold, slow and steady stock, and for that purpose, it's great. Other than that, I know it's just not popular with all the debt, but I think that them buying Red Hat was a very smart decision. It makes them more competitive with what's kind of changing out there with cloud computing getting bigger and bigger. I think that's a really good for them to have a big place in that industry. So I'm going to leave this video there. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out all the time, and I talk about the stock market and what's going on with it. Thank you for watching.